Alarmed by the WhatsApp's new privacy policy, people all over the world are deleting the messaging service. By accepting new privacy policy, you allow WhatsApp to provide data to its parent company Facebook that will use information about you for ads. Though one-to-one conversations will remain encrypted, WhatsApp and Facebook will be able to access group chats. WhatsApp will now be able to share a user's status, mobile being used, internet, phone number, and IP address in order to target the user. Your information will be sold not only to companies but to government agencies as well, and your data will be used for surveillance. Federal Minister for Science and Technology Fawad Chaudhry, while talking to the media, said that his ministry was pondering over introducing a strong data protection law to protect citizens' privacy. WhatsApp started rolling out its app update notifications earlier this week, proclaiming that there had been a change in its terms of services and privacy policy. It is pertinent to mention here that customers will have to agree to this new policy by 8th of February 2021 to avoid discontinuation of the service. Commenting on WhatsApp's privacy policy allowing sharing of users' sensitive data, Fawad Chaudhry said that policy changes of this sort should have been made after comprehensive consultation. Users should put minimum possible data on WhatsApp's status in order to protect the identity.